So we got our house under contract as a for sale by owner. In this video, I'm going to talk about that experience, the showings we had, the offers we had, and the one that we ultimately accepted and why. Hi, my name is Joel Y. I am a real estate agent in the state of Kansas and have been for 13 years and will be for another 5 weeks when I am semi-retiring, going down to Mexico for a couple months to surf and hang out, and then ultimately moving to Europe. And please, while you're here, hit that subscribe button. I know this isn't the kind of channel that people come back to again and again for entertainment, but when you hit that subscribe button, it helps other people to find it so they too can learn to sell their house themselves, save thousands of dollars like you're gonna do, and you'll be the hero. I listed the house first on Facebook Marketplace on Thursday afternoon. I didn't get a whole lot of traction there, a few inquiries, but nothing real serious. The thing about Facebook is Facebook Marketplace, I don't think is really super effective, but if you have a big social media following and you're active in social media, one of the best ways that you can get your house sold and get word out there is by posting it on your page and asking your friends to share it in a non-salesy sort of way, and then actually asking them to ask their friends to sell it. That will get you a lot of exposure. I didn't bother to do that because I'm not really that involved in social media. But I did list it on Zillow on Friday. We got several inquiries. By Saturday afternoon, we had 5 showings scheduled, 2 without agents, neither one of them were pre-approved, and 3 with agents, all were pre-approved. Now, when the agents were calling me and asking me, are you working with buyer's agents? I would tell them I'm going to consider all offers, but I'm looking at the net, the amount that I'm gonna take home after everything is paid. They know what that means. So 3 of them showed it. All 3 wrote offers. All 3 offers were above asking. One of the offers was asking for the 3% commission, and they would have put me a little bit above my net. The other one was asking for 3% commission and would have put me below my net, what I was asking for. And one of the agents actually got their client to pay them, and that was the offer we accepted because it was above our asking price. We didn't have to pay a real estate agent, and we had very few expenses on top of that. So again, the offer we accepted gives us the highest net. It's above our asking price. We're getting above our asking price, and the buyer is paying his own agent, which is as it should be in my opinion. And I want to reiterate again that if you do put your house on the MLS, you are going to get more attention, and there is a chance that you will get higher offers because you'll get more attention. You're probably going to end up paying a real estate agent, but you can negotiate with that real estate agent. And sometimes, like happened to us, if you make it known, the real estate agent will get their buyer to pay them. The trick to that is to getting your house ready for market and just making it so attractive, making it so desirable that people will do anything to get it. And when that happens, once you're in contract, they'll do anything to stay in contract too. So the MLS is not necessarily a bad thing. It's just paying those high real estate commissions that is a bad thing, especially a listing agent, when it's so easy to list your house yourself these days. And please hit that subscribe button so you can help other people find this channel and they too can learn to sell their house themselves and save thousands of dollars. Stay tuned. I'll post another video once we get through inspections and appraisals, and then one more video once we get it closed.